In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ChatGPT Atlas app to find factual information quickly and efficiently, and we'll aim for a duration of approximately 2 minutes and 15 seconds. To start off, you'll need to head over to the ChatGPT Atlas app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure you get it from your device's app store and set it up accordingly. Once you're all set, open the app to begin. As soon as you enter, you'll see various options laid out on the home screen. For our purpose today, direct your attention to the chat section. This is where the real magic happens. It's the hub of interaction where you can engage directly with the AI to fetch answers to your pressing questions. Simply tap on the chat icon to enter this section. Now, imagine having a question that's been on your mind, like, who is the CEO of OpenAI and how did he create it? Questions like these, spanning various topics and requiring factual accuracy, are perfect for ChatGPT Atlas. So, within the chat section, carefully type your chosen question. Make sure you phrase your query clearly so the AI can provide as precise an answer as possible. Typing out your questions can be a mental exercise in crafting clarity, but bear in mind, this enhances the quality of response you receive. Once your question is ready and all set in the text box, you'll see an option to submit it. The Submit button is usually just a brief tap away, designed for quick access. Click on it and let the app do its thing. What follows is a wonderfully efficient process. As the AI taps into its vast database of information, it matches your question with its database to pull up the most relevant and accurate information available. After submitting, there's usually a brief moment of anticipation before the response arrives. Depending on the complexity of your query, this might take a little while, but rest assured, the process is optimized for speed. And there you have it. The app delivers an answer that you can rely on in just a few moments. From there, feel free to read through the response, check out the details, and ensure it matches your expectations. Remember, an essential part of efficiently using any AI tool is to evaluate the responses critically and understand that it's okay to ask follow-up questions if needed. So that's all there is to it. Using the ChatGPT Atlas app to acquire factual information is as straightforward as navigating to the chat section, crafting a solid question, and submitting it for an insightful response. Keep this incredibly handy tool in mind anytime you need quick, factual answers. We hope this guide elevates your interaction with AI and enriches your information gathering experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.